In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get more blueprints here in Bake or Die on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But the main way to get more wood is by exploring houses and nearby buildings. Look around inside and outside the houses itself while you're in game, of course. And you'll be able to find like wood, planks, or supplies that you can go ahead and pick up. You can also get wood during the zombie phase or the night phase, so make sure that you are collecting items while surviving the night as well. And some zombies or areas may also drop other useful materials, so make sure that you are checking, around the zombies or where you defeated them in order to get even more items. Now, another way to progress is by finding blueprints, since these can help you unlock or build more things over time as well. So to get more wood, search houses, collect planks, and check enemy drops, and keep an eye out for those blueprints while exploring, because you'll find them in the exact same locations as well. That is the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before we do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.